Woo! You guys like that? Yeah, it looks pretty good. But anyways, we're out here on a lake today. It's pretty cold still. It is 47.77 degrees right now. We're just gonna throw around some jerk baits, spinner baits, maybe some chatter baits. I'm gonna try a drop shot out. We got a little bit of stained water, but hopefully the bass are biting. We're sitting in 14 feet of water right now, so let's see if we can catch a couple largemouth. Here we go. Here we go, first cast is going in. Starting off with the crawl looking patterned 6 cents crankbait and maybe catch a pickerel. You got one?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Is it?
Yes, Cody.
Might be a pickerel.
Cody.
It's a big pickerel.
Is it?
Yeah. It's a huge pickerel. Oh, it's a walleye. No, it's a walleye. That's a huge walleye. Oh my god. That thing's massive. Ned rig.
Alright, so I just caught this. We measured it. It was 23 inch walleye. Come on. My first ever walleye. I never really ever caught one before. Never really went out for them, but this one surprised me. Thought it was a big bass, but Cody thought it was a big pickerel, but I wasn't really sure what to think anymore. First one. Look at the teeth on them. Let them go.
There he is. I don't know, it's coming at me. Yeah, it has some weight. It's coming right at me. It's a pickerel.
Hey, that's cool. It's a fat one.
I should have known it was a pickerel. Do you? We weren't doing anything. It's a pickerel. You flipping it in? Or you want me to get it? Here, put it in the net.
Yeah.
I'm grabbing that.
Slime just got in my mouth, dude. First pickerel for me. I was just letting it sit there, getting a sip of water. Let it go.
Well, a little midday update for you guys. We have caught 4, and none of them are. Well, one was a bass. One was a bass. 2 pickerel, a bass, and a big walleye. So definitely hitting that multi-species today. We're gonna go back to this other spot where I know there's a lot of bass that hang out. Kind of smaller ones, but there's big ones. So we'll just go back and see if we can get a few. Here we go. Change of plan, guys. So I'm gonna start off throwing a little Easy Shiner Kitech on a 1/4 ounce head. We came under the bridge and there's just people everywhere, both from the bank and boats, and I drove back to the back of this cove, and hopefully they're back here kind of starting to set up on this grass and everything, because yeah, it was pretty packed out there. Oh, he came off. Oh, there was one. Come on, grab it again. Oh, you sucker. You got one?
Yep.
Do you?
Yeah.
Big.
Actually a nice one, I think.
Oh my god, Colt. That's a smallmouth.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh.
Cool.
Cody, do you have your thing?
Scale, yeah, here. Let slack out. Alright, so my brother just caught that smallmouth. He's in the live well, so we're gonna weigh it real fast. I'm gonna get a weight, then we wanna let it go because it's looking pretty beat up. Scale zeroed out, so here we go. Here. Let's get monster in there. Come on. That's so much power. Turn it real quick. There we go. $5.14, so 5 1/4. So, one last look. We'll let it go. Well guys, we had a pretty decent day. Cole had a really good day. He landed those 4 pretty nice fish besides that smaller bass. I struggled, I missed 3, I believe I missed 3, so it was a good day. That temperature's getting up. This back end here was 53. Out there where Cole just caught that big smallmouth was around like 50, 51. So I give it about another week till it like really picks up. So hopefully we can get out and catch a couple nice ones. Hope you guys enjoy the video and thanks for watching.